What's up guys, welcome back to another video here on Chanel's channel. So today we're gonna be doing a video about my edges. Okay, I've had my hair in braids for over a month now, and it's just time for me to take these babies out. But I just wanted to show you guys the process on what I do to my edges when it's in braids and trying to actually grow it while it's in braids. I barely have any edges at all to work with, like baby hairs at all to work with. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because one, they say baby hairs are technically breakage, so those are the short pieces that you use. But on the other side, a lot of people are just really hairy and they have all that extra hair growing on their edges, their sideburns. It's easy for them to just simply style it and go from there. But with me, I don't have the convenience, because as you guys can see, I barely have any baby hairs. So with that being said, my mission when I had these braids in my hair is to basically protect my hair and also grow my edges while being in a protective style. Jamaican black castor, because Jamaican black castor oil have been proven to grow hair. I use the Jamaican black castor oil every night on my edges. I just lay it on there every single night. Every time I wash my face as well, I do wash my edges, because every day I apply gel to it. I don't keep the gel from the night before or the day before, because to me it just causes a lot of buildup, and especially if I have braids in my hair, I don't want it going actually into the braids and then the braids showing a whole bunch of dry and flakiness and all that extra stuff. So every single day I wash my hair. So I apply the Jamaican black castor oil at night, because to be quite honest, I don't like the scent of Jamaican black castor oil, and if I leave it in my hair for a long period of time, my hair tends to smell that way. It's a very strong scent, and I prefer not for my hair to smell like that. Some people don't mind it at all, so cheers and kudos to you guys, but I mind the scent. I am very sensitive to scent. The people I work with are very sensitive to scent as well. In the morning, I do rinse my edges once again when I wash my face. Every time I wash my face, I wash my edges to just make sure it's always clean, there's no buildup, and I just keep it moving from there. And as you guys can clearly see, I have on no makeup. I normally do my edges before I do my makeup, because if I do my makeup first and then do my edges, a lot of the makeup tends to get built up in here as well, and it just looks really nasty, crusty, old, and close up on my edges. And as you guys can see, this is what my edges look like. I barely have anything, like I said, so I'm literally just growing it out in hopes that, you know, it actually looks okay. So I did a video a long time ago, well, not a long time ago, I did a video like a couple of months ago about my eyebrows, doing my eyebrows with Jamaican black castor oil, and a lot of you guys saw that there was like growth towards the end of my eyebrows, and it actually worked. So that is the reason why I started using Jamaican black castor oil on my edges as well, to make sure that it grows my edges and keep it maintained while in protective style. Because sometimes in protective style, your hair could still get damaged if you don't treat it well, if you don't moisturize it well, and if you just leave it like it is, because at the end of the day, you are adding hair to your hair, which soaks up the moisture that you add into your hair. So you have to double times it, but yet still you still don't want to make it too much buildup. But that's a whole other video. So what I do in the morning, I just take my Jamaican black castor oil. This is from Sheer Moisture. It's just a simple jar that you can find at CVS, Walgreens, Ulta, and all different places. And like, this is all I take, guys. I don't want much at all, and I just spread it across my edges just like this. And if I do have excess, I just wipe it on my hands, and that's it. I don't want too much Jamaican black castor oil in my hair, because like I said, it's very strong scent. Okay, the top gels that I use is the Got to Be. This one is the Eben New York, the 24 Edge Tamer. I love this one as well, because it gives me like a nice smooth wet look, whereas this one gives you more of a dry stay in place type of look, like it don't move anywhere. So these two I go back and forth with. I also do like using the Edge Booster, which is this one, but at the same time the Edge Booster do leave white residue in your hair. Okay, so now it's time for styling. I don't want you guys to judge me, but this is literally what I use every single day, so I have to be honest with you guys and show you guys exactly what I use. So this is a little brush that I use to brush my baby hairs, and these to me just get into the edges, get where I need it to be, and just tame my baby hairs. But you just have to find what works for you guys, okay? So I'm putting a dab on my finger, and now you have to work fast with Got to Be glue, okay? Because this thing locks into place as soon as you just apply it to your edges. have hair right here. I have no idea what to do with it, to be quite honest. It just stays right there. I try to blend it in sometimes with this side piece, but it don't like to go in there. Have it all lock in together, and then I style. I kind of do like a slight swoop. Now let me tell you guys, I'm not good with baby hair, so don't judge me. And then as you guys can see, my hair did grow out, so it's like really long right here, and I have no idea what to do with it. And that's what I do to my edges. And then the most important part for me is actually tie down after I finish. Sometimes it just don't stay where it needs to stay, and for me, I have to tie down my edges every single time because it will move. So I just use this silk scarf to tie down my hair. Back. So by the time I'm laying these edges and making sure it stays in place, I'm going to show you guys when I first got my hair braided and how my edges look compared to now. So the good thing about me doing my hair, I was blessed because I have my aunt. She learned how to do hair and she does my hair all the time. So she took before and after pictures, well, before pictures of when it first got done, and as you guys can see, my hair is popping. Look at that, those braids. And look at my baby hairs. You see the difference? Well, excuse that bump right there. What the heck? But there is a difference with my hair. In the edges, in this area, you definitely see more hair growth compared to the hair growth that I had then. Also, look, you see, it was all pulled back, and now I have a bunch of hair in this area, but I have no idea what to do with it. And that's just the back section, which you can't really see the baby hairs, but like you guys can see, there's definitely hair growth when putting Jamaican black castor oil on my edges, because once I brushed those edges in this area, it just had so much hair to work with compared to then. Look at that, so much more hair to work with. My sideburns also got longer and I just didn't know what to do with it as well. So as you guys can see, there's lots, definitely more hair in that area compared to when it originally got done. So you see, definitely more hair in this area here than anything else. Okay guys, so the main purpose of this video is to make sure and protect your edges or your hair while doing a protective style. Just because you have a protective style in doesn't mean that your hair is getting enough moisture, nutrition, and everything that it needs in order to grow. I do recommend using Jamaican black castor oil on the edges so your edges can grow and you guys can see the growth while you have the protective style in your hair. Normally if we do it when our hair is just naturally out, we don't really see the difference, but definitely do it when you have a protective style so that you can see the growth and measure it from there. I do recommend still as well washing out the Jamaican black castor oil every morning that you have time and just reapplying it, because at the same time you don't want your hair to smell too strong of Jamaican black castor oil, nor do you want any buildup. So just make sure every time you wash your face, make it a point to wash your edges as well. You don't really have to use any conditioner or shampoo. I do recommend using a clarifying conditioner though, and just using just a little bit just to wash your edges, because you don't want to strip your edges too much, but you do want to make sure it's moisturized at all times and keep it clean, keep it moisturized. Okay, that's all I have to say with that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you guys think this video was helpful in any type of way, don't forget to share it. Or if you guys have any thoughts on recommendations on how you do your hair as well, your edges mainly, let me know, and then we'll go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you guys in the other tens of thousands videos that I'll be doing here on YouTube. Peace.